I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S so you can act fast. Once it appears, make sure you click More Details if Task Manager is compact. Otherwise, the menu we need is hidden. You want the processes tab visible because the Update Speed option applies there. This prepares the UI for the change and ensures you see live CPU, memory, disk values. That visibility is why you adjust the update frequency now. Once done, open the View menu at the top of Task Manager and select Update Speed. That reveals 4 choices. Choose High for the most frequent refreshes when you need tight monitoring, or Normal for balanced responsiveness and CPU use. Low reduces the refresh rate to ease load, and Paused stops automatic updates so you can inspect a static snapshot. Make sure to think about monitoring versus performance trade-offs. Faster updates show spikes sooner. To finish, click away from the menu and watch Task Manager reflect your new update speed immediately. You should see sample values refresh at the rate you chose. If nothing changes, close Task Manager and reopen it, or sign out and back in. That often clears menu state glitches. If Task Manager still ignores the setting, check for Windows updates or restart the PC. One quick troubleshooting tip: set pause to copy text or investigate without live fluctuation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.